Hello everyone, so in this video I just want to talk about Ansible built-in lineinfile module. So this is used to create files and write the output from different other tasks, and it writes them per line, and it does check for duplicates. It has a lot of options. I will just show you the ones that are important for me, and I believe for the majority of admins, because with this you can create reports, can gather a lot of information from all your hosts, and quickly write everything you get from other tasks to an CSV file, to an ini file, to a text file. So you can create a lot of files. And yeah, as I told you, it does know how to do a lot of stuff. It also knows how to set permissions to the files that it creates. It can assign groups. So a lot of things. You can read more about it in the Ansible documentation. But in today's video, we will just see it in action, and I'll just explain you a few things. So you need a task that and you need to register the output. So I've just created a simple task here to gather some information, and yeah, let's see it in action. So everything it gathers here. So this echo normally should throw the information on the screen, but it will also write it in the CSV file. Okay, let's launch this playbook. So it is called server type. Let's see. Okay, so it already created the file because I did tell it to create it under Ansible test, and the file name is pool CSV. Sometimes you have to execute it twice, or was it only for? No. Okay, I know sometimes it only writes one line. I don't know why, but if you execute the playbook one more time, it will gather all the information. And as I told you, if I execute now the playbook several times and the information is the same, it will not add an additional line. But for example, if I change one line here and save it, it will know that it has changed. I mean, it compares what it gathers from the output of the task, and if it doesn't find that information in this file, it just writes again the information. So it will write again that sensor for 10 and the information that it gets. So this is one nice feature, and we can also so it's not limited to have everything in one line. We can, for example, here, let's say, so let's leave that line and let's echo one more thing. Let's echo the host name one more time. host. Okay. Let's see how this looks now. Let's execute the playbook again. Let's see. Where was it? Here under pools. So it will execute the first one that is in line and the second one. And if I'm looking at it like this, for me, I can create with this very easily. I can create an inventory file if I put this under brackets like this. This can become the inventory group, and under it, for example, it doesn't matter if I write it one more time, but we can then create the members of the inventory. And if we change here to ini, then let's comment this out. Okay, see. One more time. Okay, how does it look? We should have a new file, pool ini. Yeah, so this looks to me like an inventory file. If I go to my actual inventory file, they look the same. Okay, so you can build an inventory very quickly with this. And one important thing, you may already know it, if you do not, so all the commands are executed on the hosts or on the inventory items directly. And if you do not use delegate to local hosts, so delegate to local hosts means that this command will be executed on the Ansible node. If you do not delegate, then it will create this file on all the hosts. So let's see. So I'm on one of the hosts. So we do not have an Ansible directory at this moment. So nothing there. But if we execute now this playbook one more time, now I believe we will have an Ansible. Yeah, so it's there. Let's check it out. Ansible and then test lists, and we have our file created on the host. So remember that you need to delegate to the local host if you want to have the reports on your Ansible node. This means create the file if it doesn't exist. This means that it will add the information at the end of the file. So where is it? Hosts ini. It's not here, it's here. Okay. CSV, let's go back to the CSV and add here some text. Let's change it back to CSV. CSV, and it will write the information under the last line. Let's execute one more time. Did I change to delegate? Okay, save. Okay, one more time. Maybe it did not. Oh yeah, it will not write again because it already has that information. Okay, let's change this. so that it will do it one more time. Fail to save. Why? Don't save. Let's see. Maybe I didn't see the update. Oh yeah, it didn't refresh automatically. But nevertheless, let's see now. Save. Let's close it one more time. Now let's see. What is it? Pull. Yeah, it wrote the information below, but it seems that it doesn't matter. So the thing with the duplicates no longer works if we have another line here. Okay, interesting. Nevertheless, finding the duplicates is not so important because I will mainly use this to create reports, and normally in a report you do not have the same entry over and over again. And yeah, I hope this will help you a lot in generating reports. Let's do it one more time. Okay, and let's go back. It doesn't update. Full CSV. One more time. Right, this is skipping. Why this is skip? Did I change something? No. Skipping. Why does it skip? Let's see, I'm curious. Name, server type, tool, yes, great. Because it's set to create. Let's say no. And now run again. Again, skipping. Skip it, yes. Delegate to local host, this is fine. CSV. Okay, let me delete this file permanently. Yes. Skipping. Oh, there is no output. Come on. Yeah, because I commented out the echo. So if there is no output, because as you can see here, it will only write if there is something in the output, and if I commented out the echo, nothing was shown. Yeah, so my bad, but nevertheless we found the problem. Okay, now it's back in business, and I believe that was also the reason. Let's see. Now I'm very curious. One more time. Did you add or did you not add? No. Yeah, I believe also in the first time that we saw that it didn't write, or it write after, it was because I canceled this with an I set it to be a comment. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you are not confused. Nevertheless, use it to create reports. It will work. Just read a little bit about it in the documentation from Ansible, and also do a little test before executing it in production. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of videos. Bye.